Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Experience Mathematics. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to find out equation of tangent to the parabola y square equals to 4x at a point x1 y1 on the parabola. Before starting, I want you to make sure that you subscribe my channel so that I will be encouraged to make more videos. Also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. Now I'll start by today's topics, equation of the tangent to the parabola. We have equation of parabola y square equals to 4x. So its graph is like this, and suppose there is one point here P x1 y1. So this is the tangent line to the parabola at this point P. Now we need to find out the equation of this tangent line. Suppose it is AB. Equation of tangent AB we have to find out. And we know that the slope of the tangent is given by first derivative dy over dx. So first of all we will differentiate y square equals to 4x and find out dy by dx. That gives us the slope of the tangent, okay, at any point on the curve. Differentiating y square equals to 4x on both sides with respect to x. Okay, so if you differentiate both sides with respect to x, then we have dy square over dx equals to d over dx of 4ax, and now we can make the change for this dy square over dy and dy over dx equals to 4a dx over dx. This 4a is constant, we can write here, dx over dx, that value is 1. And you know that dxn over dx, its formula is nx and minus 1. So using that formula, dy square over dy will be 2i, and here dy over dx equals to 4a, 1 is 4a. And now this 2 can cancel this 4, 2 is 4. This implies dy over dx equals to 2a over y. Therefore, slope of tangent to the parabola at the point x1 y1 on it is m equals to dy by dx equals to 2a over, in place of this 2a over y we can substitute x1 y1. There is no x, so this in place of y we can put y1. So 2a over y1. The slope of the tangent to the parabola at the point x1 y1 on the parabola. And we know equation of the straight line in slope intercept form is y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Now equation of tangent to the parabola at the point x1 y1 on it is y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. This is the equation of straight line in point slope form. So this m can be replaced by 2a over y1 because slope of the tangent is 2a over y1. We do that. Y minus y1 equals to m is 2a over y1 x minus x1 is here. And now we can cross multiply. This implies y times y1 y1 minus y1 times y1, that is y1 square, equals to 2ax minus 2a x1. And as you know that the point x1 y1 lies on the parabola, so y1 square equals to 4a x1, because x1 y1 lies on the parabola. So in place of y1 square we can write 4a x1. This implies y1 minus 4a x1 equals to 2a x minus 2a x1, and this implies y1 equals to 2x minus 2a x1. This minus 4a x1 goes to other side and becomes plus 4a x1. This implies y1 equals to 2ax. This 4a x1 minus 2a x1 is plus 2a x1. Therefore y1 equals to 2a is common, x plus x1 is a required equation of the tangent to the parabola at the point x1 y1 on the parabola. Okay, so we have two equations of the parabola. Two equations of the tangent to the parabola. One equation of tangent to the parabola was y equals to mx plus a over m, and this is y1 equals to 2a x plus x1. Okay, so if the point is given, then we need to use this equation of the tangent to the parabola, y1 equals to 2a x plus x1. If point on the parabola is given, then we should use this equation, y1 equals to 2a x plus x1. And if the point on the parabola is not given, point outside the parabola is given, or point not given, then at that time we should use y equals to mx plus a over m as the equation of the tangent. Okay, so I hope that you understood in which case we have to use equation of this tangent to the parabola, and in which case you have to use y equals to mx plus a over m as the equation of tangent to the parabola. And now similarly, using the slope of this tangent to the parabola, we can also find out equation of normal to the parabola. Okay, equation of normal to the parabola at a point x1 y1 on the parabola. Now look at that. Equation of normal to the parabola at a point x1 y1 on the parabola. Okay, equation of normal to the parabola at the point x1 y1 on the parabola. Okay, now we know equation of the tangent to the parabola is the derivation of this. We know equation of tangent to the parabola at a point x1 y1 on it is y1 equals to 2a x plus x1. And now slope of the tangent, slope of this tangent equals to minus here slope of the tangent is 2a over y1. Okay, slope of the tangent is 2a over y1, and since the tangent and normal are perpendicular to each other at the point of contact, so slope of the normal equals to, therefore slope of the normal equals to minus y1 over 2a. We have taken this so that product of the slope of tangent and normal becomes minus 1. Here if you multiply this, you will get minus 1. So we have taken its reciprocal and opposite sign so that product becomes minus 1, because slope of the tangent and product of the slope of the tangent and normal is minus 1. And so equation of the normal is, equation of normal is, okay, we use point slope form, that is y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. Here m is the slope of the normal, so we substitute slope of the normal in place of m. So m equals to, we put minus y1 over 2a. Y minus y1 equals to minus y1 over 2a x minus x1. This is the slope, this is the equation of the normal. Okay, if the point x1 y1 and the equation of the parabola is given, y square equals to 4x is the equation of the parabola that is given, and using this equation we can also find out equation of the normal in slope form. To get equation of the normal in slope form, we substitute minus y1 over 2a equals to m. To obtain equation of normal in slope form, we put minus y1 over 2a equals to m. Okay, we substitute this, and this implies y1 equals to minus 2am. Okay, and since x1 y1 point lies on the parabola y square equals to 4x, this x1 y1 so that satisfies this equation of the parabola. So we can write y1 square equals to 4a x1. So this value of y1 we can substitute here, so we get minus 2am and its square equals to 4a x1, and now this implies minus 2am square, that will be 4a square, m square equals to 4a x1. Now 4 can be cancelled and square cancels, so this implies x1 equals to m square, and you can call this as equation 1, and substituting value of x1 and y1 in equation 1. Okay, then from equation 1, y minus y1 value is minus 2am, so this minus and this minus becomes plus 2am equals to minus y1 over 2a. We have substituted m, so in place of m we can put m. X minus, in place of x1 from here we have got m square, so in place of x1 we can write m square. And now this implies y equals to mx is 2am, goes to other side because minus 2am, and minus amq. y equals to mx minus 2m minus amq is required equation of normal in slope form. Okay, so this is the required equation of the normal in slope form. So if slope m of the normal is given, or we can find out, and if the equation of the parabola is given, then we use this equation of the normal to the parabola at the point x1 y1. Okay, this way we can easily find out equation of normal. So in today's videos I have taught how to find out equation of tangent and equation of normal. Okay, and if you need to copy this, you can pause the video and copy it. And before I stop this video, I will tell you the technique to remember the formula of this equation of a tangent. Okay, so here to remember the equation of the tangent, we can do so. That is y square equal to 4x is the equation of the parabola. So y square, we can write y times y. This 4x, you can write 2a times 2x. And if you just replace here y by y1, and this 2x by 2x can also be written as x plus x, and out of this 1x, this x can if replaced by x1, so it becomes y1 equals to 2a. In place of 2x, we can write x plus x1, replacing one of this x by x1. In this way, we can remember the formula for the equation of tangent. That means y square is replaced by y1, and this 4x is replaced by 2a x plus x1. In this way, just by a little bit modification of this equation of the parabola, we can get the equation of tangent to the parabola. I hope that you found this video helpful. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed, so that I will be encouraged to make a similar type of videos. And also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.